Buddy, today we are doing a video about my toy car. Okay? This is it. Don't mind the quality. My cousin right here is driving it. So, yeah. And my other cousin right here, he did it for real. But my other cousin is also a YouTuber. Bro, drive it.
Oh, it works now?
Yeah. Look at it. Can you turn on the smoke, bro? The smoke. Let me get this on camera. Yeah. It's really cool. Bro, drive it. Yeah. Okay, bye guys. Bye everybody. Have a great day.